Joining us from Tulsa, Oklahoma, please welcome the Union High School Marching Band. Union's program is entitled Caged Bird and features the following musical selections. Inspiration Point, Symphony No. 4, Movement 3 by James Barnes. City Trees by Michael Markowski. Midnight on Main Street by Brian Balmages. And The Lark Ascending by Rafe Vaughan Williams. Bands of America is proud to present in Grand National Finals performance, drum majors Megan Harju, Kaylee Norris, Dylan Matheny, and Aaron Parrott, and the Union High School Renegade Regiment.
The caged bird sings with the fearful trill of things unknown but longed for still. For the caged bird sings of freedom.
Union High School Marching Band. The Union High School Marching Band is under the direction of Charles Pizarro with assistance from Danny Cole, Trey Prittner, Mary Lawless, James Williams, and Taylor Sitzman. The Union High School Marching Band has been named a Bands of America Super Regional Champion and is a 9-time Bands of America Grand National Championship finalist. The regiment is a 12-time Oklahoma Bandmasters State Champion and has received consistent superior ratings nationwide. The band has marched at the Pasadena Tournament of Roses Parade and the 2013 Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. Ladies and gentlemen, the Union High School Marching Band.
DQ, this is the stop sign of Texas. How does your typical Texas mom stop the afternoon munchies?
Mom, we're hungry!
With a quick stop at DQ. From great DQ desserts like the Blizzard to classic dip cones, shakes, sundaes, and more. Because DQ has something for everybody. For the best treats and eats in Texas, there's only one place to stop. DQ, this is the stop sign of Texas.